Hey,
What's up?
how's it going?
It's going.
Okay. Whose turn is it? Mine?
I don't know. Hold on. I'm trying to get this thing down. Oh boy, we just got the AC in, so I'm kind of happy that we just.
Okay, good. You must have been hot.
Oh God, it was a terrible, crazy, hot day today. Um,
You look
so
nice.
I'm sorry.
I said you look nice though, even though had your hair looks nice and everything.
No, I just got it wrapped. I just got it wrapped in a bun. Nothing
Are you gonna
fancy.
put the redecilla on?
No, usually if I wear the Renaissance, it's during the day. Um,
Okay.
but I used to full like wrap the headscarf at night.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't know. I don't mind going. Uh,
Okay, can you go and I'll remember to go tomorrow then, or 2 days in a row?
I don't know who. I don't know which one of us went on Thursday, so I can't.
I believe it was you, but if you want to go today, I'm fine with that.
Yeah, I'm all right with it. I probably won't go on Monday. All right, let's get my thing out. Okay. Two. Let's get rid of my video. Share my screen. We'll do something quick. Um, you can see the screen, obviously.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So this is American. We still have the 50-day moving average starting to move up. uh, so I expect this to start going up again. Um, I don't think we'll be able to, maybe we could get it at 15. That would be nice. But if we don't, we don't. But we still have our 15 area that we had talked about. And I'm sorry, not our $20 area that we
Mm-hmm.
talked about. So it's still a good buy to get in.
Yeah.
Um, but obviously, um, we like it better if it's cheaper. Uh, Apple.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
190.
yeah. 50, not only 52-week high, 52-week high and all-time high.
Yes, all-time high.
Yes.
Te-
So
Terry Terry cautions against this of buying something unless it's just in and out.
he cautioned against buying it, like explain, like as a going long on it.
Yes.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's you have to. Even if you don't want to, you have to short it just because
Yes.
it's just something that I don't like shorting Apple either, but it's kind of obvious. So
It's too extra.
yeah, you can put that on the notes. Would have been nice if we had got it up here at the 187. It could hit too because Apple
180, you mean 187?
yes. Um, it Apple tends to move in tens, so we could hit the 190 and then it could just drop like a rock. So, yeah, but I like this as a short, definitely. No,
Mm-hmm.
if we could hit, let's see, put it in the notes. Let's see what happens on Monday. If Monday's a good day or kind of a little weak, um, maybe this would bode well for a short for Tuesday. Um, but yeah, it's prime. AMD has been very weak. Um,
Man,
obviously,
it's almost there, huh?
I know, Lisa. Don't jinx it, okay?
I'm not. I'm actually happy,
I know.
man.
I'm just saying. I'm a little bit afraid to talk too much about it, but
Okay, keep it moving.
yes, it got to like 108 the other day. Oh, 107. So
Uh-huh.
I'm just kind of like a joy for joy. Still want to go, but I'm just like, let's see where this heads, you know?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see how long I can ride this horse, you know? Um, Amazon, we've talked about this. We barcoded in this area for a while. Now it looks like it could be starting to go up. Um, we kind of expect it to go up, you know. Um, but we still have the so-called recession that we
Whatever.
haven't hit. So, well, we
Mm-hmm.
always have to be thinking the recession could come.
Yes,
Okay?
ma'am.
Um, Boeing
It's starting to hit down
Boeing
now.
starts to come down. I want to get into it, but I said, hey, um, this looks like it was a gap here. I don't know. Let me look at
It
it.
was a
I can't.
gap.
Maybe not.
Yeah, there's a gap.
And no, it just kept going up. Yeah.
Oh no, I'm talking about the gap down.
Oh, yeah, yeah. I was trying to see if this was a gap here
No, that
around
was.
last year, November, but it's not.
Mm-hmm.
Um, I just think this should be going down. I know they have a lot of orders in, and eventually it's going to be $400, $500. But
I don't
once
think it's got. I think it's gonna go slowly down because it is summertime. But yes, it will. I think it'll at least get to
basically
160.
the powers that be have said we're not letting this thing go down that much, and we're going to hold it here. So, it is what it is.
Hmm.
Campbell's. Nothing new here. We still haven't got into our area, and just watch it and see what happens. But this 50 days crossing, we're going in the summer, so it won't be going up anytime soon.
Say
So
that
we can
again.
just try to get the best price for the fall and winter, and
Mm-hmm.
well, for the winter, and then go from there and ride it up. Dollar General, eh, nothing to see here.
The trend is down, even though it's going up a little bit.
There's, I guess I don't know. Maybe it's gonna fill the gap. Who knows? I don't really care because I don't care about that stuff. Disney, who cares? Uh, Dick's, it's been doing very well.
It's not hard
Um,
by.
we never traded it in the 140. I mean, shorted it in the 145 area. So I'm just kind of watching it. If it jumps back up to this area, then I may consider it.
How much does it move a
Um,
day?
What, Dix?
Mm-hmm. Two
$3.
91, almost $3. Okay.
291.
Mm-hmm.
Um, Dollar Tree. I have no comment on this. I wouldn't get into this until next earnings. Revenue's up, but earnings are down. That's not a good sign.
No.
This is quarter 1, so this is definitely after everything went to $1.25. So I don't, I don't know, but it wasn't looking good. I didn't watch anything in detail. All I know is that it's summer. It should be going down, so I wouldn't look at it to go long until the fall anyway. EBC, one of
Yeah,
our
baby.
favorites, can put it on the list. Um, uh, can put on the list to look at if we want to add it in. That would be good. Um,
It's a good one.
139. It did get down there. So yeah, just get a good price and hold it and watch it go up. Uh, Google, same thing to me really as Amazon from my perspective. Um, so yeah, it's really the same thing to me. No, I haven't told her yet. We haven't started doing our chatty chat. I gave him some food. Well, I think that she needs to eat, but Porky ate her food, so okay, y'all. This doesn't move Coca-Cola at all. It hasn't moved at all. Lyft, who cares? Macy's. Um,
Yeah, is that a good price?
if it wasn't
It,
for summer, I'd still probably want to get it, but it did get down to like the 12, so I'm a
mm-hmm.
little bit scared to do anything on it now. Um, but even though they say the outlook wasn't that great, I like the fact that the revenue was a little bit down, but they still made their earnings. So
Mm-hmm.
so we'll see. What is this? This is what?
Quarter one.
March. So January, February, March, April, May, June. So let's see how uh the next April, May, June looks. Um Mickey D's. We know what's going on here. Uh and
Mm-hmm.
yeah, it
It's
was
nothing
funny.
but a beast.
Cousin,
It's a
yeah,
it's a beast in motion.
yeah, she went to Mickey D's home after the funeral because she was hungry. And I was
Who?
like, oh, I have the app. My cousin, Tiny.
Oh, Tiny, yeah.
Yeah. But it was just funny because I said, oh, I have the app. So she
Mm-hmm.
got a little discount. But you
Yes, of
have
course.
to do that. If people are hungry, that's the one thing everyone knows.
Yeah. And it doesn't matter if it's good or not, they're gonna get it anyway.
Yeah. It's no better or no worse than anything else nowadays.
Exactly. They're just gonna get it because it's like everywhere. And it's like a casino. You just go in and get it, and that's it. Even if it's bad for you, you just get it.
Um,
300, 300, 300.
yes. Meta. Um, we have the
Just wait.
price where we'd like to short. Some people might nibble in at 300. I'd like to get it closer to 350, but this has been weak, so I wouldn't be against nibbling in at 350. But um, yeah,
You can do a little test. You can do a little test at 300 just to
I
see what it.
personally think this is gonna drop like a rock.
I personally think I think it's gonna hit the 300. Maybe it'll bounce to trick people. Let's say 330 and then KAT. That's what
So
I'm
I
thinking.
guess you're saying great minds think alike.
Yeah, I think it's gonna look at what Softy did. It went up further than you expected, of course, but then it bounced. It might even go back up a little bit again.
Okay,
You know,
so 52-week high. I think this is.
three
I can't
fifty.
really see. Let's okay.
Ah,
I can't really see it. I
a
hate.
zoom in.
Yeah, I think it's beat it. Yeah,
It did beat
yeah.
it.
So
It surpassed
52
it, but it
week
went.
high, a all time high. I got in. It tricked me one day, but then the next day is when it tanked. It's still tanking, and I still think it's gonna tank. Um,
I think it's gonna go up a little bit with the powers,
just
just as,
put an
and
order in
yeah.
and let it go.
Mm-hmm. Softy, MSFT.
$7 a day.
It's good.
Um, Nikete,
Nikete.
as they say. Um, I really don't care. I like going long on this when it's under $100.
Mm-hmm.
Um, other than that,
But excuse me, they have a earnings on Friday. Can you double check that for me?
no, you could check it. You're doing the notes and stuff. Um,
No, I mean I heard it in the Diamond Dave, but what I mean is
oh, okay.
when you bring it
Yeah,
down and you go to Nikete, can you double check that for me?
4 days, June 29th.
Okay, so I was right. So that's it's gonna have its earnings on Friday, right?
Yeah,
Or actually, is that Thursday? June
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 9th.
20.
Sure. What am I saying? June 9th. Does it say?
Jueves, yeah, Thursday.
Oh, June 29th. Yeah, not 9th, but um, I don't know. It's been going down, so I would say get in there. If I had to gamble, which is not recommended, I would gamble, buy it, and short it, and see if you can get out at 100. You know, that may not be a
When
bad
it does the
bet.
crazy spikes.
Yeah, when it does the algo, just by
Mm.
it's. I think it's gonna go down anyway, for real. But
Because
just
all of the retail has been going down.
put on a note to Lisa.
Yes, ma'am.
Buy at
Nikete.
109.50. Let's say buy at 110. Put a GTC plus order in and wait for the spike down. And let's say you don't want to get it right at 100. Let's say you want to do a 101 or some odd number. So we're under 3 here. Um,
Yeah.
Trend's starting to go up. Um, like it better above 3, obviously, or
Mm-hmm.
right around 3. But I don't know. On the days it's above 3, short it. The days it's below, leave it alone.
Good
Um,
rule.
Piton,
Dang.
yeah, it's dipping. It's a long dip from this freaking, what was it? $12 that it was at.
Yeah.
Where they were talking caca about it,
Yeah.
possibly making money.
That day that it went, look at that way that day that went nuts.
It could possibly, it doesn't have an earnings date coming up, but I could see it possibly doing decent for earnings. When I say decent, not making money, but beating estimates.
Expectations.
Yeah. So the whatever the estimate is, I could see it beating it, still losing money, and that could bring it back up. But obviously, no one knows. No one has a crystal ball, so it's just easier to stay away from it.
I have an order at 8:30 and at 8.
Yeah. I
That's
don't.
it.
I hate this thing.
Huh?
No, I hate just the way it is. My mouth was acting weird. Tarjay.
And it's going down.
Yeah. No, like that.
120.
Yeah, I would leave that be. There
Let's just,
was an area that I liked it. What was that? The 120 area? Okay.
that's what we had identified.
Yeah, and it got down to 125. So
Hmm.
we're getting into summer. It will get there. Uh, Taco, it's not hard
Keep
to
it moving.
buy.
Keep it moving.
Um, it has slowly been going down. If you're willing to wait for this caca, it could be worth it. But I just hate that. I hate the way it moves. Stressful.
It's
Um,
high. It's
stress.
high up there. Didn't they get a downgrade?
But no one really cares if Stressler gets a downgrade.
I just asking that stupid question because yes, I know you're right.
No one cares.
It's going up the yin yang.
I think I moved my line. Let me find out where my line is to be my full line. It was probably next year. Um, jeez,
Mhm.
it's so wild. It's just crazy. It's like nuts. This thing.
Mhm.
So we're definitely far away from all-time highs. Um, I don't know what the hell is this. It's gonna keep going up. It may like play around barcode and come down for a little bit. It's been really strong. If people want to use this as a day trade, use it as a day trade. But it's just, I don't know. It's just been strong, and it's just one of those things that until it's proven that it's about ready to pop and go down, which it needs an obvious level. Like I don't know. I probably wouldn't want to short it until it gets back up to this 400. You know, like
I was.
it,
Mhm.
it has to be obvious for stress level because if it's not, you can get burned really easily. So,
Mhm.
Walmart, I don't care. It's doing good though, but I still don't care. Uh,
Mhm.
XOM, I heard oil was down past 2 days. This 50's about to start to turn, so maybe it'll come down. Um, I do think um gas is a little bit too high. So I really do think it's due for a downturn. Like, you know, if somebody wanted to buy it, short it in a long term, several months downturn, um, you know, maybe until like the winter months and let it tank in the winter. So, you know, see if we can either get it back here to the 80s, God forbid to 60s. That would be too much. That would be asking too much. So let's
Yes.
ask for the eighty
Mhm.
dollars.
Mhm.
Um, but I really do like this. That 110, 115 price, it went up to 120. Um, it's still, I'd like it to get up for the summer, you know, jump, the summer increase. Let it come back up and then get it. You want to put a notification on?
For
Uh, do 118.
to short.
Yeah,
Okay.
118 or greater. Obviously, you want to get. I want to get do one. You know what? Do 120 with oil, gas, stuff like that. It moves so crazy. It's better to get the best price. It's better not to look at it till it hits the perfect price. So, BJ's, who cares? I'm only looking at Bud because I kind of like it. I kind of like it too. It's dipped so far. Um, you know, will it get to this 45? Who knows? May have missed it, but because it's so unsure about what's going on with this, you know, maybe people are still going to be talking about the whole transvestite thing. Um, so yeah,
This
so
too, this too shall
it's
pass.
trending down though, so it's just to stay out of the fray. It's better to stay out of the fray and just this was a nice price, this 45, but at this price, you wasn't really sure if it was gonna keep dropping. So I don't know. I just say watch it, Once it gets to if it gets to 45 again, I'm not guessing because it's so shown that it can bounce back from that area, but it is starting to go back down. So whatever this level here, the 66 is not liking it. So let's see how far it goes down. People are still rejecting it. They're still a little scared and stuff. Um, but it's a beer company, no matter what, people are gonna buy beer. Hog, really don't care. I want to know if it's going to come back up during the summer. So it got close to this, the 30. What did it get to? Yeah, it got close to the 30. But still, we got to hold out for the price. Do we
Yeah,
have?
it got really close. Do we have a notification on Hog?
No.
Let me see. HOG. What's the price again?
30.
30. 30.
Um, all the stuff.
Yeah, we have it. We have a notification.
I just put it. Wait, you have one already?
Yeah, I had one.
All right, so I just put it. So, Beyond Meat, your favorite roasted.
Yes,
Um,
ma'am.
I don't even feel like zooming in on this packer, but
Mm-hmm.
basically just sugar it till it's dead. I'm not even gonna. It's no sense of wasting my time. Target. Believe it, not Target. Target. It did go up, huh?
TJ Maxx.
Yeah, TJ Maxx. It did go up, but
Hmm.
I'm not gonna be trading that, so I'm not gonna waste time. Netflix. One of my favorite expensive stocks.
It's a good
Um,
stock.
went up here. Started to fill that gap. Went up. Um, let's bring it up to 500. Let's let it fill it, and
It'll be all
then
right. We'll fill it.
we got plenty of time. All we
Mhm.
got is time.
Plus, it's expensive, and you want to get the
Yeah,
best
you want to get
tiempo,
the best price.
best price.
Dash. You haven't been messing with this stuff. I don't want to
Mhm.
talk about it. It did go up nicely, but what is this again? MSCI. I don't remember what this is. Pepsi. Uh, yeah. All right. That's enough. It's
Mhm.
Sunday. We'll see how the week will determine what goes on. Um,
We'll review the
anything you want to
notas
talk
mañana.
about? Okay.
We'll review the notas mañana.
Yeah. So you got the notes. You'll send me that.
I already did.
Um, and let me stop my share. Unless you have anything you want to talk about.
No, I'm good.
Okay. What are you doing?
I'm gonna go to sleep.
Oh, so what? You showing your face now?
I accidentally did, yes.
Oh, well, why don't you take?
I was gonna unmute and I hit the camera.
Um, what's the niños?
They're in camp.
Oh, shoot, I forgot about that. So
Two
what?
out
They
of
got dropped off when today?
10 a.m.
Man,
Well, before 10 a.m. obviously I had to.
okay. So you must.
I took attendance.
Okay, and but you didn't go with them.
Uh
You didn't ride.
I wasn't assigned to because only the campers
Oh,
were given that assignment, but I took attendance.
okay. Well, that's good. So now you're not gonna know what to do with yourself with no
I
niños.
still have one kid.
Oh shoot! But when is he? Oh, but he's doing the day program, right?
He's upstairs,
But he's gonna be doing the day program, right?
but in a week.
Okay, so the last week that they're gone, the next week you'll have everyone gone for a week. Okay.
For the day, the
Yeah, for
dia.
the day. It'll be like school basically. Okay.
Yeah.
So that's
Yeah.
good. Down to one.
We're gonna take him biking tomorrow into the library.
Okay, so that's fun for him. Okay. All
Yeah,
right.
I told he needs to get some Libros.
Any special stuff that he likes to do
He
during?
really wants to go biking because he got somebody bought him a bike at the flea market.
Oh, nice.
And
Okay.
yeah, a
Who is
nice
this
bike.
from?
Huh?
Mama Media?
Huh?
Mama Media?
No, Mr. Jacinto.
Oh, cool. So what, he got like a big boy's bike?
Yeah, it's really nice too.
Oh,
Yeah, it's a big boy's bike.
okay, so I guess you're gonna get rid of the little kid's bike, so
No, we'll still have it in case,
he needs to grow into it.
no, it's just good to have in case somebody comes over and he's smaller or whatever. And just you can always put the seat a little bit up.
Yeah.
And it's just good to have a backup in case something happens to the tires and you need a bike or whatever. So we'll keep that one.
Okay, I get
Um,
it.
and he has the bicicleta.
Okay,
So the goal tomorrow is library first, then we're
hmm,
gonna hit the trail.
nice. So I think you'll have a lot of fun.
Yeah,
Cool.
I'm gonna try to take him to different places so he doesn't get too bored or he doesn't play in the computer all day.
Yes, that's a very good thing so that he can kind of, get some like just kind of like break time, like summer fun time, for kids or whatever.
He
It's
really,
good.
really enjoys it because the biking,
Yeah,
because he doesn't do it all the time and it's just the trail is very open and like long. So he because he's learning on the new bike. It's like a new adventure for him. So he's looking forward to it, I can tell.
nice, nice. All right then.
Plus,
So
it's a good family exercise because all of us are in the bicicleta,
yes,
and it's a fun activity.
absolutely. Getting out there, enjoying the outdoors, especially now in New England when it's freaking. We don't have the whole year. Let's just put it that way.
Say that
Um,
again.
yeah, watch out for ticks and do all that kind of stuff. Put your socks in your pants or whatever, unless you have shorts on or stuff. Uh, yeah,
That's a good point.
yeah, I like to wear my scarf uh when I'm out or whatever on the
Scarf?
trail, the park, like cover my hair because they can get
Oh,
stuff. If
that's
they,
a good point. Actually, wearing the redecilla might be a good idea.
yeah, it's just good to like. That's the one thing I would hate, like on my neck and on my scalp. Like I would hate to get a tick there or whatever. I don't care like
Man.
on my legs and stuff, but trust me, when it's happened, so
Yeah, I know.
yeah,
It's crazy. Ew.
kind of
But
like
yeah.
yeah.
No, it's better
Once
to be
you're in
safe
the
than
woods,
sorry.
you're used to it happening, and when you have
Well, this particular trail is is paved.
okay,
It's more open and it's yeah, we do
okay,
see
it's
that
not
it's
like
kind of like a
It's not like wooded, like all that.
There are some parts that you could consider it, but that's on the other side, which he might want to go. But even that one is, I wouldn't say heavily wooded.
Okay, it's not like you're brushing back like brush and stuff like
Yeah,
that.
yeah, it's not.
Okay,
This is a very like um
civilized.
bike, yeah, civilized, bike friendly,
Okay,
runner friendly trail.
Bella. Okay, so that's good. Okay, it's not more wild. Then those, yes, that is better. So you don't have to worry as much about that. Okay, so that's good.
Yeah, but still, it's a good point to even be. You never know. You never know. It's good to be. It's better to be safe than sorry, and one should have that in the back of the mind, like wear hats or whatever, and just keep safe.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we were thinking about going to Hull today for the
Hull,
afternoon,
Hull.
but
Where's Hull?
Hull, like
Yeah.
it's kind of like uh, I guess you could say it's under Quincy on the coast, but like
Hmm.
between Quincy and Cohasset or
Let me look
whatever.
it up. H
But
U L
anyway,
L.
yeah, it's a nice beach area over there and around Route 3A area. Um, but Wilbur came back late, and then
So how far is that from you?
um, it's probably like 30 minutes or so, and like we don't
Oh,
have to jump on the highway. Like it's not like it's relatively close. It's probably no more than like I don't know how many miles, but it's like 30 minutes or so.
oh, okay.
It's
I would
not a
like to
bad
go
drive.
there.
Yeah, it's actually really nice.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
Looks nice.
yeah. But so that was the plan. But then he came back late, and I went to show the place. But then we were supposed to go after, but he didn't get back until a few hours later. And then he hadn't put in the AC, and it was so freaking hot. I'm sorry, but it was like the energy was drained. It wasn't even that hot today, but because of the humidity, it just felt hot. And
Mm-hmm.
I was going outside to cool down to get some air, or whatever. But then by the time the sun started going down,
Mm-hmm.
um, the mosquitoes were coming out, and I was getting bit like crazy.
Now, did
And
you get you didn't get a lot of rain and thunderstorm? Because we got a lot of rain. We got like a
oh yeah,
downpour,
we got
torrential.
a good amount of rain, but it wasn't like you mean today? No, we didn't get.
Okay, so we experienced a torrential downpour for about 35 minutes, and there was thunder over here
No, it
and
was kind.
lightning.
I thought it was gonna rain because it was cloudy, but it really didn't rain. Like I think we had a little bit of morning dew. It was kind of wetness, but it wasn't. It didn't like rain like that.
Hmm.
It was like wet. Like how when it's like it's cloudy and it's kind of like it's gonna rain, but it wasn't like we didn't have a downpour or anything. But
Hmm.
so we never went to Hull, but I am off the week that week of 4th of July.
Hmm.
And oh yeah, we'll probably do a barbecue. I'll just invite you now, just so you know.
Okay.
Um, and we're gonna like try to slowly clean the house to make it presentable. uh, yes, to get it up to some type of standards. So that's the agreement that we have to do a little bit at a time.
I think Mr. Jacinto has to work, so I don't know.
Yeah. Well, it may not be exactly on the 4th because it may be that
Hmm.
Sunday or something before. So, but yeah,
Okay.
if the kids, it seemed like the kids are. Oh no, will they be back by then?
No.
Okay, so yeah, so you may be on your own. So you may be able to do whatever you want.
Hey, that might be a good opportunity for me to go.
We got less than a minute, so I'm gonna say peace, so we won't get cut off. Um, and then we'll do this over again tomorrow. And someone wanted me to tell you that two animalists got a
A what?
doge.
Oh,
Yeah,
what?
yes.
No way.
Yes, I was surprised too.
Like
Yes,
real one, like with soap and
real,
everything?
real, real ones. Yes, I
Oh
was
my
surprised. I
God.
wasn't expecting it either.